Two of the biggest names in marketing software face off. Constant Contact versus HubSpot Marketing Hub. Which one really delivers? On the left, Constant Contact. Easy, reliable email and event marketing for small businesses. And on the right, HubSpot Marketing Hub. The all-in-one growth marketing suite with powerful CRM. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, before we get into the nitty-gritty, here's a quick mind map of how we're going to compare these platforms. We'll hit these categories: price, features and automation, analytics and reporting, ease of use, scalability and integrations, best for, and unique features. Got it? Awesome. So, first up, price. All right, with Constant Contact, you're looking at a super straightforward deal. Starts at about $35 a month for 1,000 contacts. Nice and flat, so small businesses and nonprofits, you'll probably love this setup. And for mid-size lists, still pretty affordable. Of course, you do trade off a bit, like not getting those high-end automation bells and whistles, but let's be real, not everyone needs advanced stuff, right? Oh, and then you've got HubSpot. Now, it starts with a free CRM, so you're thinking, sweet. But when you want the full marketing stuff, prices jump fast. Like $50 a month just for 1,000 contacts. And if you're scaling to, say, 25,000 contacts, yeah, you're looking at $450 plus per month. And some pro features get locked behind even pricier tiers. So for price, pretty obvious win for Constant Contact. Next up, features and automation. With Constant Contact, you get a solid email editor, some basic automation, so like welcome emails and birthday flows. Oh, and if you need to run events, they've got awesome event management built right in. The catch? The automation logic is pretty basic. So don't expect fancy multi-step workflows here. Now, enter HubSpot Marketing Hub. If you want super smart automation, advanced workflows, triggers, CRM-based journeys, A/B testing, the whole 9 yards, this is it. Plus, it's not just email. You can hook in social, forms, ads, basically everything. Honestly though, the pro tools do mean a bit of a learning curve. You'll need a little onboarding magic. Still, no contest. HubSpot owns this round. How about analytics and reporting? So, Constant Contact keeps it simple. Open rates, clicks, straightforward growth numbers. If you're just trying to see what works in your inbox, it covers the basics. But yeah, the dashboards, they're pretty minimal. No fancy attribution between channels either. Now, if you're a data nerd, listen up. HubSpot has custom dashboards, total ROI tracking, and all these funnel and lifecycle analytics. You get real attribution and serious numbers. A tiny catch, some advanced reports hide behind those higher tier plans. But still, for analytics, this is HubSpot's playground. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Constant Contact's been around since 1995, while HubSpot dropped onto the scene 10 years later? Now, both run millions of campaigns every year. Evolution, right? Ease of use. Let's get honest. Constant Contact is super beginner friendly. You sign up and boom, the UI is so chill, you're making campaigns in minutes. Basically, if tech stresses you out, you'll be fine. The flip side is you might feel a little limited as you get fancier. And HubSpot? It's got this modern, interactive feel. Tons of tools all in one spot. But, yeah, it can be overwhelming. You kind of need to dedicate some time to learning your way around. Super powerful, but not quite plug and play. So, for ease of use, it's a clear win for Constant Contact. Okay, scalability and integrations. Constant Contact hooks up to Shopify, Facebook, Eventbrite, and supports Zapier. Pretty good, but honestly, there aren't a ton of direct integrations, and CRM options are kind of limited. Now, HubSpot goes huge, over 1,000 native integrations. Salesforce, Zoom, Stripe, Shopify, the works. You get real-time syncing across marketing, sales, service. It's like every tool is holding hands at a conference. Little heads up though, some integrations are only on those fancy higher plans. But yeah, in scale and ecosystem, HubSpot easily takes this one. Who are these platforms best for, really? Constant Contact, no surprise, is perfect for small businesses, nonprofits, event marketers, basically anyone who wants solid, simple email marketing. Once you get super complex, you might eventually outgrow it. HubSpot, though, is for scaling companies. especially if you've got sales plus marketing teams all working together. If you need CRM-powered marketing automation, HubSpot's got you. But if your campaigns are super basic, you're going to feel like you brought a spaceship to a bicycle race. Honestly, this round is a dead tie. Each platform knows its people. Unique features. Let's geek out. Constant Contact packs built-in event tools like registration, ticketing, promo, all in one spot. No plugins, no weird hacks, just do your thing. It's ridiculously convenient for event-heavy marketing. The downside? You miss out on advanced CRM stuff. Now, HubSpot flips the script with content optimization, SEO tools, and crazy dynamic personalized web experiences, but no native event management at all. So on quirky, standout features, Constant Contact nails it. Let's take a look at how they stack up side by side. You'll see Constant Contact shines in price, ease of use, and unique event features, while HubSpot spikes in automation, analytics, integrations, and scalability. All right, so here's what I really think. If you want simple, budget-friendly email and event campaigns, you absolutely can't beat Constant Contact. But if you're building a serious marketing machine with need for fancy automation, deep analytics, and CRM-powered moves, HubSpot is basically your growth playground. So if you're choosing between these, step back and ask, what does your business actually need? Simplicity or rocket fuel? Save this video, share it, and always make sure you pick the tool that fits your goal.